Hello friends, welcome to the second part of the lectures of the Pythons, and I hope in three parts I will complete the Python. Okay, just be with me. So without wasting time, let's start the Python. Okay, so this is the Jupyter notebook as I told you earlier. I am just showing you. Okay, in this is the Jupyter notebook in which you can write the command. See, I wrote some commands like mm x is equal to 10. I will like this. I wrote it. So I just tell you that here I'm writing the command a is equal to gulam, gulam, gulam. Suppose. Okay. Now if I want to just print a, here it will be print will be in small. Okay, in Python it is not case sensitive, so you have to keep in mind regarding the upper and lower letters. Shift and enter when you do, it will print a. Okay, so here is the Jupyter notebook platform where you can write the command. Another is the Google Colab. I already told you in the online you need to enter the Google Colab. So I already wrote a code in the Google Colab, so it is good to explain you, and later on you can practice also in Google Colab as well as in the Jupyter notebook. So let's start our thing very fast. Okay, today we will be try to understand the data types. Okay, what is data types actually and what are the data types? See, there are numeric, string, list, tuple, sets, dictionary, bool. All these are type of the data types which we'll be going through one by one. Okay, so first I think you know the str is for string. The string means alphabets. Numeric it means for number. So first let's discuss the one and two. Then later in the next class or in the same class we'll do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. These all are very important for the interview point of view. Okay, every times the fundamentals basic questions will be there in most of the MNCs, which they will be asking you like what, how in the Python, what do you know about the tuples, how you handle the string, how you handle the numeric. So here we will do some, I have wrote some examples here which we can good for to practice also and also for your interview things. Okay, which is best for the interview. So let's start it. So here I wrote x is equal to 10, y is equal to hello. Okay, so and once I print this, print what is the type, data type of this variable. X is variable, y is variable. So for nature of variable want to know, you need to write a type x and type y. Print type x, type y. If you print it, you will get, see, x is the integer data type and y is the string data type because hello is there in inside it. Okay, so now again the same thing, if I wrote a variable a is equal to 10, and if I do print type a, then it will show a, if you run this command, it will show you a integer data type. So you need to write one all this command and check by yourself also. Okay, suppose if I do it here like if I do it only print a, here print a, if I do only, then it will only print 10, right? See, it has print only 10. So same way b is equal to 10,000, print type b, it will show you the integer class. Okay, same as here it will show you the integer class because no decimal is there, so integer only. Okay, here it is type c is the integer data type. Okay, now what is float? Where decimal point is there in the numbers, then we will tell as it is a float, like print a. But if we write the print type a, like here only, if we give type a, the nature of the variable, it will show that a is the variable which is float. I'm just showing you like this. Okay, just see, first one is the type a, it shows class. Just a minute. Type b. Okay, now just print it. So here you are facing some errors, so let's see the error in this. If I run this command, okay, actually na, Here I have done something like, okay, we need to first run this command. Okay, first run this command, a is equal to 10.5 and this. Now you run this command, type a, type b. Now you will get the answer because I have not run this block now. So it's taking the earlier value of ABC, that is number. So that's why now I run this. Now it will not show error. See, it is type A is float, float, float. Okay. Here only the same thing. If I wrote C is equal to minus 12.7 e to the power 100, if I do is, and let's see how it appears. Print C. How the exponent thing appear. Print C. If I print this, see, it will show like this. Okay, now what is the type of this? It is integer. So exponent thing will also be the integer thing. See, 1 point minus 1.27 e to the power plus 101. So it is, sorry, it's a float. So you can see it's a float. It is showing a float thing. Okay, exponent thing all are decimal, where it is, it will show a float. So now again one more thing, like suppose if I have a number like 1 is an integer, but 2.5 over here is a float. 5 is the and in inside the inverted comma, so it is a string. But I want to convert it into float. 2.5, if 2.5 is the float, how will I convert to integer? First thing, we need to write this command, L is equal to 2 in 2.5. 2.5 is the float nature, but if I want to convert to int, we need to write int and bracket inside that values of that float. So 2.5, so it will show you the integer data type, like m, inside integer bracket, it is the string inverted comma, but that string is converted into integer. So if you run this command like type klm, so it will show the data type as the integer. You can see integer, so you need to practice, because see, 1 is the integer, we know that, and you integer can be converted to integer, but here float k is equal to in 2.5, like how will you convert this? So one more command, if I write it, see, suppose here, just you need to write this one, like print k, print uh, integer, print l. If you do print l, see, suppose if you do print l na, it will 2.5 will be converted to the nearest integer, it will show as a 2 or 3. Just run this command. See, it shows 2 na for this. Print for L, it is showing printing 2. Okay, got the point. So the same way you can convert to the float to the integer. So here if you see the K, L, M all are integer conversion. So it shows the class type integer. Okay. So how to concatenate? First, we have learned everything now, all the things regarding the alphabet and the numeric data type. So here also, like float 1, float 2.4, float is string, you can each of these to the float data type. You can see the data type, if we type print type all this variable xyz, you will get the float data type. Okay, so now it's a string. Suppose in a string a is equal to Vishwanath. If we print, see, a string will be under single inverted comma, double inverted comma, anything you can take it. Okay, so alphanumeric values, and is wrapped around inverted comma and inverted comma. And one more thing you need to keep in mind, that string consists of alphanumeric value. Why alphanumeric value? Alpha is for alphabet, numeric value means each alphabet has a particular number in binary form. Okay, so like ASCII value we can tell that. Okay, like capital A have 96 or the small a have 96 value. So you can just keep in mind, just so that's why it's under string, each variable, each alphanumeric values we are telling. Okay, each alphabet is called alphanumeric values. So if we print a, we'll get Viswanath. Print type a, we'll get string. Obviously we'll get the nature of the variable of the a, so it is a string. So now print a2, it is the, now we learn the indexing thing. This is more important thing. If you come here, just come here, See here indexing thing. See, suppose Vishwanath is stored in the variable A. So indexing is done as like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, from left to right, 0 to 9 we start. If we go from in the negative order, from H it will be indexed as -1, T will be -2, A will be -3, N will be -4. Later on we will come to the negative indexing also, but now we will go for the positive indexing. If I write A2, A2 means it will give you, A is the variable in which Vishwanath is stored. So A2 will give you what? A2 will give you S, 0, 1, 2. 2 is near S. You can see. So it give as S. Print A2. Same way, print A7. Print A7. A is the variable in which Vishwanath is stored, and 7 indexing what? Here in 7, A is coming. So it will give you A. Okay. So if you need to print a 0 to 6, 0 to 6 means 0 to 6. It will give you here to here. Only V to N. So if you go here and see 0 to 6, it will give you in 0 to 6, 0 is included, 6 is excluded. That you have to keep in mind. Means just come here, like if we here 0 colon 6 mean it will print all the value between 0 to 5, not 6. 6 is excluded. If we write 1 to 7, it means it will give a value from 1 to 6, not 7. So 6 here is excluded and 0 is included. So 0 to 6 means 0 to 6, but 6 will be excluded. So up to 5 only it will print. Okay. So Visva. So if suppose we need to print as this 1 to 6, so here 1 is included. From I it will print to 6. So means up to 5 only, means up to A only it will be printed. If I suppose I give it 9, so it will include one I and up to 9. 9 means it is H. So before that 9 will be excluded. So up to T only it will be printed. So last letter on printing this will be T. You check it, see. Print A 1 to 9. Just a minute. I think we need to run this one. We have not run this. Vishwanath. Yeah, we need to run this command first. Okay. Now we ran it. Now, once we ran this, now it will give you the value. Okay. So what I was telling, 1 to 9. So in 1 to 9, 1 will be included up to I, and 1 to 9. So up to 8 only. V to T only it will give you. Okay. Up to T. So see, got the point. So in this way, if we write print A bracket open colon 7. So left side of the colon it means everything. Right side it means limit is given up to 7. So everything up to 7. So in this one, obviously I told at the right side of the colon what will be there. We need to exclude. Just before that we need to take. So it will print up to 6. V to N. So if we just give this one, V to N will be printed. See. Okay, V to N. Now in this way, column left side nothing is there, column right side nothing is there. It means everything it will print Vishwanath. Got the point? So this is the thing you need to go in, take in mind. Another thing is the negative indexing. Negative, positive indexing start from 0 to the number. Negative indexing start from -1 from the right side to left side. Okay, -1, -2. If I write I is equal to integer star, I wrote a word. If I wrote print I is equal to -4 to everything. -4 is where? Minus here it means what? Left side is -4. -4 to everything. Colon means 2. 2 to nothing is there, so it means everything. So it will print from here -4 to everything, up to -11 it will take. So just see, it will print from -4 means S to I. S2, sorry, minus 4 to, it will go in this direction, right direction na. So minus 4 it is start, minus 4 to everything, minus 4 to 1, minus 4 to minus 1, so st double a it will print. Okay, now minus 9 to minus 4, minus 9 to minus 4, second command is minus 9 to minus 4. So left side we will include, right side of the colon we will exclude, and just before that we have to take. So minus 9, it will be t to minus 4 s. So up to s we can't take, we'll take up to r just before that. Okay, so we will see last letter is r, printed here r, from t to r. So in the same way we need to do this. Another, this, see, this also can be used it here. What does this mean? Print I colon colon minus 1, it means what? First colon you can treat like this, left side right side it is nothing, so from everything. Then another colon is minus 1, so it will give every value, every value it will give in reverse order, in reverse order it will give you in reverse order. Okay, the word is in reverse it will print. Okay, in minus 2 if you do, then it will give you in the because see, the thing is that it is giving you, if you see here, whatever it is printing here, it is in the reverse order. So it in the last, if you give minus 1 na, in the last if you give minus 1, it is the best way to give print you a reverse of reverse of the string. Okay, so the string is now reverse. Now print I colon colon minus 2, it will give you in the reverse order, but every alternate. So first will be a, then alternate number a will be left, then t. Okay, so 1 and 2 like this, so a t r g t I, so you can everything but at the minus 2. So how you will see that, I'm just showing you here. Minus 2, if it is minus 1, it will print you like first a, then t s, like this it will reverse. But if it is colon colon minus 2, it will give an alternate value, means first it will print the first letter a in reverse, and then 1 minus 2, so 1 2, so then it will print t, then it will print 1 2, then it will print a r, so like this it will print, so a t r, like this. So if you see the alphabet here, it with minus 2 it will start from a t r, like this. Okay, so it is from minus 3, then first letter in reverse, then 1 2 3, like this it will print. Okay, so it's a very good session, so you need to practice this. Another part will be the final part, then we will start the machine learning things using python. Okay, okay then, nice, have a good day, goodbye.